With the completion of the layout of new plants and the advancement of power system construction, the preparation work for the second line of the Airbus A320 final assembly line Asia in North China's Tianjin is in full swing.
A very stable regulatory environment around us. The Tianjin Free Trade Zone umbrella that is helping us to work in a very close collaboration and discussion with the Tianjin port and the Tianjin customs. We are now building the second assembly line that will be entering into service late 2025, and in theory, doubling our capacity in Tianjin.
Airbus' first final assembly line outside the borders of its 4 founding European countries was opened in Tianjin in 2008. The assembly line has been continuously upgraded and has accelerated localization development.
过去我们所有的大部件都需要从欧洲运过来，这需要60天的时间。找了我们中国的中航工业合作伙伴，就在天津总装线旁边，门对门的交付给天津总装线。通过本土化的制造，我们无论在成本上、在质量上，达到了不低于欧洲的水平。
The cooperation between Airbus and Chinese companies covers the entire industrial chain, from procurement, production and installation of large components to aircraft final assembly and delivery. Currently, Airbus has about 200 suppliers in China, and components produced by Chinese companies are found on all Airbus commercial jetliner types. Airbus Helicopters has also been seeking deeper cooperation with Chinese companies. Currently, there are more than 300 Airbus helicopters flying in China, serving about 100 Chinese customers. The company has seen great potential in the Chinese aviation market.
Today, I'd say there is a huge potential for growth, 500% of what it is today in the coming decades. And we really, let's say, that gives a lot of opportunity for investment from ourselves with Chinese partners for developing the market.